talablari bor. Ikkita, uchta tizimni bir-biriga aralashtirib olgandan keyin bu buziladi. Demak, bitta tizimni tanlab, o'shani parvarishlash talablarini bajarish kerak. Kesishda, boshqada. Aralashtirmagan yaxshi.
And yeah, you want not to make a combination of 2 or 3 systems. That's not working.
Bu noto'g'ri deydi o'sha aralashtirish.
In Europe, the best experience with so far is standard spindle.
Demak, Yevropada aytib o'tdi, o'sha standart spindle degan tizimi bizda oddiy.
But the problem in that choice, the problem in that system is that you have always the grow in the top of the tree.
Bu tizimda bitta o'sha muammoli joyi yuqoriga o'sish kuchli bo'lib ketadi. O'sish nuqtasi bo'lgan uchun.
And it's difficult to have production under in the tree.
O'sha kuchli o'sish tepada bo'lgani uchun pastda hosildor novdalari ushlash ozgina muammoli bo'ladi.
Because all the grow is in the top and not under. You're losing your production under in the tree.
O'sha yuqoriga ketish bo'lgani uchun qutbiylik ham deymiz. Pastdagi novdalarga daraxt kuch kam sarflangani uchun hosildorlik pastda tushib ketadi. Pastdagi novdalar yo'qolib ketadi.
So we focusing with pruning to have renewable shoots under the tree.
Bu degani o'z-o'zidan kesishda, demak, bizning fokusimiz o'sha pastda yangilash, yoshartirishni ko'proq ishga tushiramiz, amalga oshiramiz.
What's the best fruiting wood in a cherry tree? Mostly is that 2 years old wood, maybe 3 years, that have lots of spurs, leaves and flower buds.
Demak, oldin aytib o'tgandek, eng yaxshi novda, hosildor novda 2 yoshli va atrofi o'sha mevali ko'katga boy bo'lgan 2 yoshli novda. Ba'zan 3 yoshligi ham.
Then you have branches with a lot of leaves.
Albatta o'sha novdada o'sish paytida juda ko'p shoxlari, yon shoxlari bo'lish kerak, mayda.
But also what you see on this picture, a lot of cherries.
Mevasi ham sel hosil bo'ladi.
When we go to use that branches longer, and we go to very old wood, you see the problem. We have also some cherries, but no leaves.
Muammo shundaki, noto'g'ri kesish noto'g'ri bo'lganda, yoshartirilmaganda, mana bunga o'xshagan holat yuz beradi. Birinchidan dedi, hosil ham kam. Ikkinchidan barg kam, barg yo'q ketadi, ko'ktaklar yo'qda. Bilim terim boshqada. Demak, o'sha kesish shunga qaratilishi kerakki, o'sha novdalar ko'ktaklar, hosil ko'ktaklarni tarbiyalash.
And for the quality of the cherries, it's not good because here there are a lot of leaves to feed the cherries.
Sifatga ham e'tibor bering. O'sha bargi ko'p bo'lsa, mevani hosili ham yaxshi bo'ladi. Yiriroq.
And here we have a lot of cherries, but not enough leaves to feed them.
O'z-o'zidan barg bo'lmagan joyda gilos ham mayda bo'lib qoladi. Balans buzilganda bargdan ham hosil bo'ladi.
And another problem by this old wood is when I prune it now like there, I prune it on nothing because there are no leaves, buds.
Endi qarang, vaqt o'tib ketgandan keyin kesish noto'g'ri bo'lib bu ahvolga keldi degan. Hozir bu ikkinchi muammo tug'iladi. Buni kesganingizda dedi, o'sha ko'rsatgan joydan kessam dedi, uyda o'sib chiqadigan ko'ktakning o'zi yo'q deyapti. Yangilash ham qiyin bo'ladi. Yoshartirish uchun. Demak, bu har doim har yili yoshartirishni amalga oshirib borish kerak.
But I know when I make here some pruning, having a branch like this, there's always coming something new.
Bu yosh daraxtda yangilasam, hozir vaqtida bunda yangi kuchli novda, ya'ni keyingi yil uchun o'sib chiqish ehtimoli yuqori, chunki ko'ktaklar ko'p.
And And then from one of the researchers from Germany, they looked on a fruit set for productive per flower bud for productive for who old is the wood and the fruit set.
Endi daraxtni yoshiga, novdanni yoshiga qarang. Shunda isbotlanganki, novdan yoshi qancha katta bo'lsa, hosildorlik shuncha kam bo'lgan.
And what you're seeing then is when you have young wood, you have the most fruit set.
Ana jadvalga qarasangiz, ko'kda ko'rsatganda yoshi. Mana 2 yil, 3 yil, 4 yil, 5 yil, 6 yil, 7 yil. Pastdagisi hosildorlik. 2 yoshda mana 120% turibdi, ko'rdinglar? O'sha 3 yoshli novda 910, 4da 100. So percent per what?
Per flower bud. But in one flower bud there are more than one flower. So that's the reason that there is more than
Bu dedi
one.
bitta kurtakka ichidagi hosildor bitta kurtakdan chiqqan gilos hisoblagan. Bu yerda 120% degani bitta kurtakda 10 ta kurtakda 12 ta meva bor degan. O 7-yilda 10 ta kurtakda 7,5 ta meva bor degan yoki 8 ta meva bor.
Kesin bor ko'proqmi? Kuzida ko'proq qilarkan. Kesin.
The question is about the timing of for pruning. What is the best time to prune? Do you do it in spring?
Tree pruning always in the end of the winter. Before the trees start with flowering.
Eng yaxshi kesish mana yillar uchun qish oxirida uyg'onishdan oldin.
And we make a small summer pruning after the harvest.
Ikkinchi yaxshi vaqtda kesamiz, yig'im terimdan keyin yozgi kesishimiz bor edi, kichikroq.
But the only thing that we do with the summer pruning is create more light in the tree.
Yozgi kesishimizning asosiy maqsadi quyosh tushishi uchun kurtaklarga.
So mostly what we do only is removing the very strong new shoots with too much leaves.
Yashil kesishimiz asosan tikka o'sib chiqqan so'ruvchilar, shu nimani quyosh to'sayotganlar, qalin o'sgan joylar siyraylatish, shunaqa narsalar bo'ladi yozgi kesishimiz.
But good to know is not only for good quality of cherries, you need young wood, also for the fruit set, for your production, it's better to have young wood in the
Mana yosh novdalarda biz ikkita narsani ko'rdik. Yosh novdada birinchisi sifat. Sifat yuqori bo'ladi. Ikkinchisi hosildorlik.
Good bearing wood that
İşte
is
birinchi
young,
yarmida kech kunda
young wood.
deyapti.
Demak, yosh novdalar eng yaxshi hosildor novdalar sifat ta'minlangan novdalar.
We want to pick the cherry from 2 and 3 years old wood.
Demak, 2 yoki 3 yoshli.
But important when you start with pruning a tree is to know when you need 2 years and 3 years old wood, you have to save 1-year-old shoots.
O'z-o'zidan tabiiyki dedi 2 yoshli yoki 3 yoshli novdaga bo'lish uchun sizda 1 yoshli novdani o'zi bo'lishi kerak. Chunki u keyingi 2 yoshli bo'ladi.
Sometimes I see some growers, they think, oh, I have perfect 2 and 3 years old wood, and they prune all the new shoots away, but they thinking we don't need them, we have production wood.
Ba'zi yetishtiruvchilar 2 yosh 3 yosh bo'lishi kerak ekan deb faqat bu yilda o'ylaydi, keyingi yil to'g'risida o'ylamasdan bundan keyingi yilda zahirada balansga 1 yoshlilarni ham qo'yib ketishi, tarbiyalash isdan chiqarib qo'yadi. Bu yildan tashqari keyingi yilni ham o'ylab 2 yoshli bilan 1 yoshli, 3 yoshli balansga qo'yish kerak edi.
They forgetting then that you have to save 1-year-old wood to have 2 years later the 2 years old.
O'z-o'zidan 3 yoshli novdangiz 4 yoshga aylanadi. O'sha paytda 1 yoshli novdangiz 2 yosh bo'lishini hisobga olib, konveyerga o'xshatib balansga qo'yib olishingiz kerak kesishda.
And that's a rule, that's for all the systems.
Mana shu dedi, bu qanaqa tizim bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar, tarbiyalash tizimi. Hammasida shu bitta universal qoida ishlatiladi. Hammasiga ishlaydi shu kesishda.
And then about some other thing about pruning is the difference between leaf buds and flower buds by cherries.
Yana bitta narsa dedi, hosilli kurtak bilan, gul kurtaklar bilan barg kurtagini farqlab olish kerak.
Here I have a branch. It's here longer. It's 2 years old here, and then it's going further with 1 year old.
Mana shu nolda dedi, mana 2 yoshli qismi, 1 yoshli qismi, 2 yoshli qismi pastga ham davom etgan.
And you see on 2 years old there are clusters with buds.
Mana gul kurtaklarni ko'ryapsiz 2 yoshlikda.
And that are the perfect clusters for have some leaves and flowers. So flowers.
Bu klaster degani bir nechta gul kurtaklar bitta joyda. Bu eng zo'r anaqa ham mevali ham o'sish uchun barg chiqaradigan klasterlar.
But the difficult thing is 1 year old wood by cherry. Because there are some specific by some varieties like Cordia or Regina, they have a lot of flower buds in the start of the new shoot.
Endi 1 yoshli novdani ham boshlanish qismida, masalan, Reginadagi qilma xarakteri o'sha navni. Boshlanishda o'sha gul kurtaklar bo'ladi boshida deydi. Pastki qismida 2 bilan ulangan joyida.
And on the rest of the shoot are leaf buds.
Qolganlari yuqoridagi qismi barg chiqaradigan kurtak.
When I have a shoot like this, like here, and I've not this part, it's a shoot directly from our stem or something. And I prune it here. I have some flowers. Can you translate it? When I have only this shoot, and I prune it here.
Masalan, deydi, o pastda deydi, faqat hosildor kurtagi yo'q deydi. Uni o'sha yuqori qismidan kesib olsam deydi, ana 1 yoshlik.
I have only.
Mana shu qism bor xolos deb tasavvur qiling.
I have then only flower buds.
Endi faqat gul kurtak qoladi.
For this year, I have some flowers.
Bu yilga menga hosil bor deydi.
But for coming year, there's coming nothing.
Chunki u yerda gul kurtak bo'lgani uchun, bunda hosilli kurtak bo'lgani uchun o'sish yo'q deydi. Keyingi yilga deb yo'q bo'lib qoladi hosil.
When I want a new shoot from out this shoot,
demak, mana shu novdadan 1 yoshlikdan men yangi novda ham o'stirishim kerak. Undan keyingi yil uchun.
I
1 yoshligini.
make my cut not here,
Bu yerdan kesmayman o'shaning uchun deydi.
but a little bit later.
Sal yuqoriroqdan kesaman o'sish uchun.
So I have here some.
Mana bir ikkitami qanchadir kurtak qo'ysam, hosildan keyin. O'sha keyingi yil uchun novda o'sib chiqadi shu yerdan. 1 yoshlik novdadan. Keyin u 2 yoshlikka aylanadi. Keyingi yil.
So we're saying always we want new young wood, create new wood. I need
You
a
know
cut
what?
in 2 year old on this one or that one. I know there's coming a new shoot.
From the